Yo, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 accessories I use for a minimalist vlog setup when you're filming with your cell phone. So if you're new to the channel, my name is Travis and I love sharing videos of unboxing cool new tech that I get for filmmaking. When I learn something new in Adobe Premiere Elements, I'm definitely going to make a tutorial video and share it on the channel. And sometimes I'll film DIY projects that I do around the house. And whenever I travel someplace interesting, I'm definitely going to vlog about it. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you head down below and smash that subscribe button. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 accessories that you can use when filmmaking with your cell phone to give you the ultimate minimalist filmmaking kit. The first accessory that I practically take with me everywhere is the Rode Video Micro. For such a small microphone, this is an amazing accessory that you can not only use with your SLR camera, but you can also use it with a cell phone. If you plan on using the Video Micro with a cell phone, you need to pick up one of these cables here. I'll put the link in the description to the Video Micro as well as the cable that you're going to need for your cell phone. So just click on that little arrow down in the corner here. It'll pop open the description and I'll put links to all of these 5 items there so you can click on them and head directly to the product. So with this guy here, you want to take the black side, pop it in the Rode Micro, and the gray side is going to go in your cell phone. The nice part about the Rode Micro is it comes with its own lyra, so this helps with vibrations. And it also comes with a dead cat, which helps with wind. So you get all of these accessories with the microphone. You don't need to purchase them separately. So there you go. That's the Rode Video Micro. And that's the lyra on it. A little trick for you guys. All of these grooves are in here so that you can actually clip the wire in. So once you clip the wire in, you can see that's much stronger than it was without. So that is the Video Micro, my #1 accessory for a minimalist filmmaking kit. The #2 accessory is a tripod. And I went with the Manfrotto tripod. And the reason I went with the Manfrotto is it has a super strong grip on the top for your cell phone, as well as its metal construction, has a 360 head, and it just works really well. It's nice and small and compact. So grab your phone, pop it in there, and I've added to this a flash shoe. So the reason I have this on here is I can actually clip the Video Micro to it, like so. Clip the wire in, and boom, I have an instant vlog setup, just like that. Video Micro, cell phone, Manfrotto tripod, and you're ready to go. Hit that record button, start filming, no more excuses. If your cell phone does not have a headphone jack, you're going to need one of these little accessories here. It's a USB 3 to headphone adapter. So I just pop that in here, pop my Video Micro mic cable into that, and boom, I'm instantly connected. So there you go. With only 2 accessories, you have an instant vlogging kit using your cell phone. But let's get into the third accessory. The third accessory that everybody needs is a light. And the Aperture ALM9 is my absolute favorite compact light. The battery's built into it. It comes with different colored gels, so if you want to get creative, you can. And this guy is super bright. So if you're filming at night or you want to add light to a certain thing that you're filming, this guy is great because you can place it almost anywhere to light up your scene. The fourth accessory that I use for filmmaking with my cell phone is a portable SSD. Having a portable SSD allows you to drop your footage off of your phone and free up space to record. Depending on what device you have, you might not have enough internal storage to make it through a whole day, or let alone a complete week. So if you're only taking your cell phone for a minimalist filmmaking setup, you definitely want to have a place to put your files. You could use Google Photos if you have strong Wi-Fi, but if that's not an option, pick up a Samsung SSD, which comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable and plugs directly into almost all Android phones. Once you've plugged it in, you can use the internal file manager in your phone, transfer all of the video that you took for the day directly onto the SSD, and you're golden. You have a backup of it. Back it up to the cloud, you have 2 backups, clear your device, and you're good to go for the next day. So that is the number 4 accessory for a minimalist filmmaking setup. The last accessory is kind of optional, but it's definitely gonna step up your filmmaking game. That's to add a gimbal. I've been using the Zhiyun Smooth 4 for just over a year now. It's an absolutely amazing gimbal. It connects to my cell phone, so I'm able to use a wheel on it to zoom and do different things. It's just a little bit big. So if you're looking for a small setup that you can just place in your pocket, you probably just want to leave that gimbal behind. You take these 4 items here and you're set. So you can take this stuff in your pocket. This is your filmmaking setup, and it's just so minimal. So with these 5 items, you can get some steady, great sounding, incredible footage using only your cell phone. So if you want to add any of these items to your minimalist filmmaking kit, I put direct links in the description below. Just hit that little arrow here. It'll drop down a list. I'll put direct links to the product pages for all of these things so that you can add them to your kit too. So thanks for watching today. If you like this video, make sure you head down below, hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this one, smash that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy out there.